Does it now?
Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
You idiots issue an SVR, right?
7:28 p.m.
You issue an SVR for Cherokee County, and you cancel it 5 minutes later because the storm weakened below severe limits.
2.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. Now here is
And now there's another storm in Spartanburg
Western North Carolina
with a 1-inch hail indicator, and they haven't done crap yet.
Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening across the
What
North
is
Carolina
this?
mountains, upstate of South Carolina, and northeast Georgia. Some storms may become strong to severe, with the primary threats being straight-line damaging wind gusts, large hail,
Y'all
and
don't
cloudy
make
shore
any
lightning.
sense.
The best chance for severe weather will be in the upper Savannah River Valley. Locally, heavy rainfall leading to isolated flooding may develop as well. The severe thunderstorm warning for central Cherokee County is canceled.
Look at them announce it.
The storm, which
And I still have
has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses
like
an immediate
40
threat to
minutes
life or
remaining on that SVR.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
My radio's decoded it for an hour. Look at that, 45 minutes. How about it, GSP?
Northwestern Cherokee County and upstate South Carolina until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Spartanburg, or near Boiling Springs, South Carolina, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and oversized hail. Source: radar indicated. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boiling Springs,
6-hour
South Carolina,
event.
Cowpens, Mayo, USC Upstate, Sickety, Cowpens National
There it
Battlefield,
is.
Spartanburg, and Gaffney. For your protection, move to an
I
interior
kinda had
room on
a
the lowest
feeling,
floor
though.
of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP.
What y'all do
Your
to
message
me
describes
sometimes,
the event and the
I
specific
swear.
location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and Spartanburg.
And then another storm decides to become severe.
The current time is 7:31 p.m.
That one issued
Eastern Daylight
for
Time.
also an hour.
This is the No Weather Radio.
And all my radios activated a second time.
Broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in North Carolina, operating on a frequency
Cannot
of
believe that,
2.475 megahertz.
The first one made no sense.
Transmitter is
The second
serving
one-
Piedmont of the Carolinas. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for
Yeah, that
northeast
makes
Georgia,
sense.
Western North Carolina, and
But
upstate
there's
South
like
Carolina.
nothing going on.
For today and tonight. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are
Except for
possible
that
this
one
afternoon.
storm in Cherokee County.